Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple chicken curry using a recipe from A Pinch of Nom book. Let's go. The recipe we're looking at today is our A Pinch of Nom. It's the original book. And we are making a super simple chicken curry. Takes 5 minutes to cook, 30 minutes to prep, and 181 calories a serving without the rice. Pretty good. Let's go. Says 450 grams of chicken breast. Now, I'm doubling up, okay, so I'm gonna go to about 1 kilo. It's not gonna make a huge amount of difference, but here we go. I buy my chicken breast frozen and then I defrost. And I find that actually it's a more cost-effective way of doing chicken breasts. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm just chopping it up into kind of squares really, or as small as is reasonable. Let's chop up 1 large onion. Now, like I said, I'm doubling up, so I'm going to go for 2 large onions. So let's get started. Again, I know there's going to be people out there telling me I'm cutting up an onion wrong, and I'm okay with that. So let's not get too hung up, it's just an onion, guys. So step 3 is where we get to heat a large pan, and we put some low calorie cooking spray in there. I'm going to go for about 5 or 6 squirts. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, why not? It's 1 calorie a squirt, so I think I'm going to afford 10 calories on this one. Okay, and then according to the recipe, we just need to fry off the onion until it's soft and just a slight light colour to it. So let's get started. Alrighty. So this is my first onion that I butchered earlier. Let's get that in there. And the second onion that I've just butchered in front of you. Let's get that in there as well. I'm quite lucky with these pans, well I think I am. Cast iron on an induction hob. Oh yeah, listen to that already. Beautiful. Okay guys, next step, we are going to add the chicken. Woo. Yeah. Get that in. Now I kind of like to bury the chicken under the onion, or whatever it is I'm cooking. I'm putting in raw meat to cook with some form of vegetable that's already been in the pan. I tend to bury as much as I possibly can the meat under the veg. I think that's kind of like an insulation theory in my mind. I don't know if that's a legit thing or not, but that's what I do. Okay guys, so we have now fried off the onion and the chicken. The chicken is now slightly brown, which is nice. We have to add the garlic to the pan now. So according to the recipe, we are looking at 3 garlic cloves. Now, unfortunately, I don't have garlic cloves, so what I've got is garlic granules. So I'm going to be going by trusty teaspoons. Got 4 teaspoons of garlic granules here. Okay. And it says to that cook off for a minute or so. but I don't think I need to really do that because these are granules as opposed to fresh garlic. Okay guys, so curry powder comes next. Now recipe says 3 tablespoons of curry powder. Obviously I've doubled up, so I'm going to go to 6. This is a mild curry powder from my local branch of Aldi supermarket. That's just kicking off there. Okay. Okay, we need 2 teaspoons of turmeric, which is this stuff here. Ooh. 1, 2. I'm going to go 2 mad at this. 3. 1 for that boiling. Boom, there we go, right. Okay guys, the recipe also says we've got to do a tablespoon of tomato puree. Obviously I've doubled up, so let's go for double that. Might just go a little bit more as well, why not? Get it all stirred in. Ooh. Partner's probably not be too happy with me now. I'm a bit of a spill there, but you know, I'm alright with that. It's always easy to ask for forgiveness, apparently. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. There we are, so I've just added 400 millilitres of water to the mix. So the chicken, onion, garlic, etc. is now swimming with that. Unfortunately my camera has just died, so it's kind of a mix between phone camera and actual camera for a YouTube video. Let's see how that goes. And there we have it, YouTube. 8 servings of simple chicken curry.